Okay, this is a 2008 Cadillac SRX. It's having a problem with the rear door. It's giving a code for the liftgate, which is B153F Symptom 2. These are the object sensors. There's one on each side of the car in the back, and it kind of lets you know if there's something in the way or whatever. The door won't close for safety features. So usually when they go bad, the door will not close. In this case, the door opens fine but does not close. Okay, as you can see here, the door opens up fine. But when you go ahead and press to close, it doesn't do anything. Okay, so we're going to check the ohm meter, and we're going to see what is the reading for this. It's got two little connectors in there. All you got to do is get them together. And this one down here is showing it's got a 0.6 reading. It's supposed to have at least a 10 ohms. So we're going to test the one that we got at the salvage yard. This is the same part. And this one's reading 9.9. 9.9. 10. That's what it's supposed to read. So we're going to go ahead and check this one again on top. And the one on top doesn't even give us a reading. It gives us a 0.6. So that means that that unit is bad. So this is the object sensor right here. It's glued onto the glass. And this is what it looks like when it's out of the car. So we're going to install these two in there, and then you can see how the door is going to work. Both of them on this car are burned out. So we're going to replace them, and then we'll show you how the door works. Okay, so now both of those sensors have been replaced. We're going to go ahead and test the door for it can close. There you go, fully functional. Both of the object sensors were the ones that were replaced. They were both bad. They have to have a ohm reading of at least 9.9 or higher. If they don't give you anything, no reading at all, that means they're bad. And we can show you how it opens up also. There you go. I'm going to put back the panels, and this is ready to go. I appreciate you watching our video. Please take the time to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.